Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today I'm so excited to share with you my oven yogurt recipe. I don't have to strain it. It doesn't really take a lot of effort or time. Saves me tons of money. I make it once every other week or so and my family loves it. It's something we eat almost every day and we love it. Yogurt is amazing. There are so many different ways you can make it. You can put pumpkin butter on it. We put canned blueberries on it, peaches, strawberries, all kinds of stuff. You can just drizzle some honey on it, maybe put some granola in there. So stick around. If you want an easy recipe, we're gonna throw this in the oven in a minute. It's super simple. Slowly heat your milk to 185. I've done that here. There's also a skin on the top of this milk. It's just a film that develops. It's normal. You want to scrape that off and try to do it in one scoop like this. Once you reach 185, you want to turn it off. And after you take that layer off, you'll have the steam coming up and you want this to cool back down to 110. This is yogurt from a previous batch. I'm using this as my starter. I'll put about a cup in here. If you have not been doing this previously and you don't have your own, that's okay. You want to purchase high quality ingredients at your grocery store. Maybe find an organic yogurt that's plain, that has live cultures in it to start you off. Afterward, you can use your own starter just from batch to batch. Now I'm putting in about half of my jar and I'm going to mix this in very, very well. In fact, I usually whisk it in just to make sure that there are no clumps. This method does not require that you drain your yogurt or strain it in any way. Once you put this in the oven, you are done. So I want to make sure that there aren't any lumps from the cultures that I just put in. You also have to make sure, double sure, that your milk has cooled down to 110. If not, it will kill the yogurt cultures that we just put in, and you will not end up with yogurt. So now I have my jars already. I have them in a dish. I have my funnel here. I've transferred it to this measuring cup just because it's way easier to pour from something like this. While I'm doing this, my oven just finished heating to 170, which is my lowest setting for my oven. You want to make sure your light in your oven is on as well. That will provide heat over the next 6 to 8 hours. And you can fill this to the very top, which I'm going to do now, because it's not like canning. It's not going to expand any. The straining process takes forever, and I hate having to do that. And so I just really prefer this method. I'm done at this point. Like, this is all there is to do. I do like to skim off those bubbles at the top, just so I don't spill it. I'm just putting my yogurt in. I heated my oven to 170. I'm turning it off now. My oven light is on, and I'll leave it here for between 6 and 8 hours. At 6 hours, I will check my yogurt, see if it's thickened enough, and if it is, then I'll take it out. If not, I'll let it go to 8 hours. Okay, y'all, it has been 8 hours. I checked it around 6. The way I check this, I never open my oven door. I just kind of stomp like so right around the door, and I just look in the little window and see if it jiggles very much. If it's still really jiggly, then you want to leave it a little longer. I left this for 8 hours today, and I'm going to show you the consistency. See my jar? It's all done. There are some air bubbles in there. You can see that's not a really big deal. What you're looking for is this beautiful thickness, and I'm hoping to catch this on camera. Look how thick that is. Can you see how thick? Oh my goodness. I did not strain this. I don't have to do anything else to it. It is absolutely ready to just put in containers for lunches or to just to eat like this. It's amazing. So I'm really happy with this. This is not sweetened. You will have noticed I didn't put any kind of sweetener in this at all. I usually drizzle either some honey on top, or if Sunshine's eating it, she just likes fruit on it, just like this. I don't add any sweetener to hers, and she likes it just fine. We also put granola on it. If you make yogurt or have tried this way or another way, be sure and let us know in the comment section below. If you try my way, I'd love to hear about that as well. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.